Hello students, very good evening. This is my fifth video of the topic adsorption, and this video is the last one so that the whole topic of adsorption get completed. And the last topic is the mathematical proof of Freundlich adsorption isotherm. The last topic is mathematical proof of Freundlich adsorption isotherm. We have already learned about what is Freundlich adsorption isotherm. I have told you already in our previous fourth video. Okay, in chemistry, how can you prove any equation? Any equation, how can you prove in chemistry? For example, what is the equation for the Freundlich adsorption isotherm? It was x by m is equals to kp 1 raised to power n. How can you prove mathematically that this equation is a correct one or incorrect? We can prove by the equation of straight line. Okay, I'm going to prove that this equation is correct. Take log, this is equation number first. Take log from both sides. Take log from both sides. Log x by m is equals to log k p 1 by n. Here a formula of log is used, that is log m dot n. What is the formula of log m into n? This is log m plus log n. In the above equation, the k represents m and this the whole p raised to power 1 by n represents n. Okay, so the equation will become log x over m is equals to log k plus log p 1 by n. This is equation number second. Here we can use another basic formula of log, that is log m raised to power n. It is n log m. See, in equation number second, this k represents this p represents n, this m and 1 by n represents n. Now this equation becomes log x over m is equals to log k plus this 1 by n, which was the power of that p, it appears just before, that is 1 by n log p. Compare with this equation, this formula. This is our equation of straight line. How? What is the equation of straight line? Equation of straight line is y is equals to c plus mx. This represents, or this corresponds to our y. This is c, the plus and 1 over n represents m, and this log p represents x. This is the equation of straight line. What is c? C is intercept. C is intercept. And what is m? M is a slope. Slope is tan theta. And y and x, these are the y-axis and the x-axis. These are the ordinates and the abscissa. Okay. I'm going to plot a graph of equation of straight line. This is the graph of equation of straight line. These are the points. This is the y-axis. This is x-axis. And the difference between these 2 points where this line intercepts the y-axis, this is c. C is intercept. And the tan theta between any 2 points, this is slope. Hence it is a straight line. Okay. In our above equation, this log x over m represents y-axis, log k represents x, and 1 over n represents m, and log p represents x. Put the value of these. What is y? In the above equation, y is log x over m. So we have to plot a graph between log x over m with respect to x axis log p. Here we can write log p, and since there is a symbol of plus, so the positive slope will appear. What will the positive slope? What is the value of slope? Slope is m, and m is 1 by n. What is m? M is 1 by n. Hence the slope is 1 by n. And what is intercept c? C is log k. C is log k. Hence this is equation of straight line. So we can prove that the Freundlich adsorption isotherm, the equation x over m equal to kp raised to power 1 by n is a correct one. Why? Because from this equation we are now able to prove the equation of straight line. This is the equation of straight line, that is y is equals to c plus mx. This is the last topic of the adsorption. I will also send you the screenshot of these graphs. Okay, take care.